Alright guys, I'm about to enter the Taj Mahal. I've just taken the entry from the main gate, and that to your left is the entry to the Taj Mahal. I'm not gonna ruin it for you. I'm, I'm gonna continue the recording the moment I enter. See ya.
Well, everyone, uh, this is the forecourt area because here 4 garden. Okay, Taj Mahal first entry gate. It calls VIP gate.
VVIP gate.
VIP
Okay.
gate. Okay. Second west, third south, fourth
West
north.
gate, south gate,
Okay.
and north gate.
Okay. South it's called Labor Colony gate.
Okay, this gate is known as the Labor Colony
Yeah.
Gate. This is
Backside
because
Labor-
when the Taj Mahal was being
backside Labor
constructed.
caste area.
Yeah, so
And
the
Labor Colony.
right.
Okay.
So the idea behind that was the laborers who built the Taj Mahal were allowed to enter from this gate.
Every day up down. Okay. You are looking main entry gate. Royal gate.
Okay, this is called the Royal Gate.
Royal gate height is bottom to top 105 feet, about 35 meter.
That's 35 meters tall.
You are looking on the two domes, small. Count please everyone.
There are 11 domes on the gate, and there are 11 domes on the back side. And the idea behind is at that time there were no calendars, there was no way of measuring time, and it took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal. So that is how they recorded it. Niche. So basically what you see down there, the thick line is the center line, and there are 105 rooms to the right, 105 rooms to the left, and every building on either side is similar to each other. So basically they are mirroring each other. There's no difference on the buildings on this side, there's no difference in the buildings on that side. Carvings that you see around the entry, if you can see them, that's a chapter from the Quran. And these are not paintings, these are actually black onyx stones which have been carved into marble. Man, that is some intricate work. Right guys, so this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna reveal the Taj Mahal for you guys, and there it goes. Ta-da! Oh man, that's awesome. That you see to your left, and the building to the see to your right, and the bench that you see in the front, that is where Shah Jahan used to sit, the one who built the Taj Mahal. And there used to be music playing from both sides, and that is how it used to look like to sit and stare at it. This direction is the same what will be visible from all 4 directions. So it has been built symmetrically so that from any direction if you see, it will look the same. The pillars, they might look straight, but they've been tilted 2 degrees towards the outside, so in case during an earthquake the pillars don't fall on the main tomb. They fall towards the outside and they keep the building from getting damaged. Beyond the river Yamuna was the proposed site for the Black Taj Mahal, which was supposed to be made of black marble, but Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb did not let that happen. Red building that you see next to the pillar is basically a mosque, and Taj Mahal is closed on Fridays so that only Muslims are allowed in there and they read the namaz. This is hexagonal mesh made of marble, and the trick behind it is if I take my camera up close, we'll be able to see the entire mosque through one single hole. See that, right? And the idea is
Every hole,
from top to bottom, the same phenomena is through each and every single hole. Beyond the river Yamuna was the proposed site for the Black Taj Mahal, which was supposed to be made of black marble, but Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb did not let that happen. Alright guys, I'm leaving now. Hope you enjoyed this tour vlog. See you soon, bye bye. So guys, I'm on my way back. I'm on the same bridge I was earlier over the river Yamuna, and I was only kidding about not knowing which river I was on. Sheesh, come on, seriously, how ignorant do you think I am? Really? Okay, bad joke. Never mind. So I'm on my way back now, and yeah, I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you thought, and also if you guys like this, I would definitely do future vlogs based on heritage sites like the Taj Mahal, which are also scattered all over New Delhi and places close to Delhi also. So yeah, depends on how you guys enjoy this one. Alright, catch you later guys. See ya. Look, dust devils. Oh man, I've never seen one before. That is so cool. I think there are 2 of them. I hope you guys can see that. Oh man, that's a massive dust devil. That is so cool.